Today in this video, I'm going to show you something very exciting. Go to this website RealChar AI and then wear your headphone, select your headphone and then click on connect. Once you are on this page, click on any character of your choice. Let me select Steve Jobs and then click on talk. And then you can start talking with this character in real time by using your headset. So you just need to click on talk. Hi,
Hi, my
Steve.
friend.
How
What
are
brings
you
you
doing
here
today?
today?
Okay, and then Steve will come back and then start talking with you. This great tool has been composed by this guy who is on Twitter, Sean.agi, and he has built this real-time AI companion, and he has given a lot of good information about this great tool. There are a lot of great features which are associated with this tool that no coding is required whatsoever to create your own AI character, by the way. So you can just go here and you can hang up, or you can just go back by clicking on this, and then it will take you back. Sorry. So you can select your own character and you can build your own character too. You can talk with this characters too by just typing it out. Now, other thing is that once it is in the open, you can customize your AI character's personality, background, and even voice. And you can, as I mentioned earlier, you can talk or message to your AI character in real time. It is also multi-platform. You can use it on in the web browser, terminal, or mobile. And they are also open sourcing this mobile app. And I will also share the link to their GitHub repo in video's description, which you can check out by yourself. And they are using most up-to-date AI technology, like including OpenAI, Anthropic, Claude 2, Chroma, Whisper, and 11 Labs. So very, very exciting. I'm also going to show you one chunk from their GitHub repo. So if you look at this, this is a tool which is allowing you to create, customize, and talk to your AI character in real time. So, and this is the flow which they have mentioned here, where they are using ChatGPT with the prompts by using character data, and then they are using the character catalog in Llama Index, which is going to the vector DB, which is Chroma, and then from there they are orchestrating it through LangChain and so on and so forth. If you want to read more detail, I will also put the link to his Twitter handle in video's description where you can read out more, where he has created a thread describing everything. For example, just look at this portion. For prompt engineering, he is using ChatGPT. For voice clone, he is using 11's Lab. And for data loader, he is using Llama Index. For vector DB, it is Chroma for all to store all the embeddings and stuff. So very, very nice tool. I'm really impressed by the flow of it, and I'm more than sure that it will be evolving more. I hope that you liked it. If you have any feedback, please put it under the comment section. Thank you very much.